so. I think they'll retire. He'll retire at 30 something.
Mom, did you answer that? It's Jake. That's your daddy, Bailey.
Hey, Jake.
Hey.
How are you?
Doing alright. How about y'all?
Good. Look here. Who's that pretty girl? Is it your daddy? You can't see it. Okay.
Tilt it down.
There you go.
Is
Is
that
it
your
your
daddy?
daddy? Is it da?
Don't say it.
Is that your da?
Someone looks like a happy little girl.
Smile, Bailey.
Hair is fluttering in the air conditioning.
Ceiling fan.
Or fan.
We have those in Texas.
Oh yeah, that's right. We have air conditioning in Texas too.
Bailey. Yep.
Really? Hey, Sugar Plum. Yeah?
I'm working now, Dad. I got a job to do.
You should rotate it to where I can actually see her.
Mm.
Go in my way.
Is it your dada?
Hey,
Can you
baby.
say it? Say dada.
Da. Tell you, Happy Father's Day.
Her short sleeves and stuff.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Daddy's Day.
First Father's Day.
He's looking at me. Here's your beautiful wife.
Oh, yeah.
Bailey. Oh, you should have seen Sonny licking on her toes earlier.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, man, they were both liking that.
She got a few kisses to the face, too.
No.
Bailey.
Put it down, son.